In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the time zone configuration settings in Google Calendar. This is a simple process, but it's an important one if you want your calendar events to display correctly based on your location or preferred time zone. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to Google Calendar. Make sure the calendar interface has fully loaded so you can clearly see the main navigation and settings options. If you use Google Calendar often, this is a useful area to become familiar with, since many of the platform's important preferences are managed from the settings menu. When you're inside Google Calendar, look toward the upper right area of the screen for the gear-shaped icon. This is the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the available options. A small menu will appear, and from there, click Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Google Calendar, where you can manage general preferences, display options, event behavior, and time-related settings. After the settings page opens, direct your attention to the category list on the left side. Under the General section, you'll find a range of configuration areas that control how your calendar works. In this section, locate the field block labeled Time Zone Configuration. Click on that area to open it. This section is where Google Calendar groups the settings related to your time zone. It's especially helpful if you travel frequently, work with people in different regions, or simply want to confirm that your calendar is aligned with the correct local time. Accessing this section is the first step toward reviewing or adjusting those preferences. As a quick tip, whenever you make changes in Google Calendar settings, take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct section, since the settings page includes many categories that can look similar at first glance. Staying in the general area will help you find the time zone options more quickly. And that's it. You've now opened Google Calendar in Chrome, accessed the settings menu, and navigated to the time zone configuration section under General. Once you're there, you're ready to review the calendar's time-related preferences as needed.